Hey, what's going on, everybody? It is Nicholas Lau from Dallas, Texas. I am feeling much better. I know in my last video I wasn't feeling good. My apologies if I didn't make any sense. I am going to do another video for that program probably next week, explain it a little more clearly. Like I was saying, I just wanted to get something out there for you guys so you know exactly what's going on. Today, I wanted to change topics a little bit and go to what is really helping me out, and I'm really learning a lot about it right now, is YouTube. So, obviously you're watching this on YouTube. Now, have you actually decided yourself that you want to market on YouTube? So just so you all know, I didn't do YouTube for years. I was the type of person, I didn't want to get in front of a camera. I was afraid that I'd mess up my words. I still mess up my words now, but I just kind of roll with it. It's like after a while, you just realize that, people want to get to know you, the real you. They don't want to see a video that's all edited to make it look perfect. They want to be able to relate with somebody that sounds like them, that they can be like, hey, if he can do it, I can do it. And I'm the perfect person for that, because honestly, if I can make six figures online, anybody should be able to. All right. So it just requires some determination, some persistence, hard work, all of those things. And, I've seen people that have come in after me, and they just took YouTube by the horns and ran with it. I see these people in their 20s and they're just doing such great things. And I just kind of kick myself. Why didn't I do it before? So anyways, I'm going to give you a sneak peek into the YouTube program that I'm in and the mastermind. So, if you want to get some more information, just let's see where, right there, nicholaslal.com/YouTube7. So that's Nicholas, and my last name is Lal. So if people have trouble pronouncing that, that's Lal, just like pal, like you're my friend, you're my pal, but just Lal, Lal. All right. So, just to get rolling with it, it's only a one-time fee of $7. That'll get you into the free trial. And I believe that is a couple of weeks, or maybe it's 30 days, something like that. Let's just say it's 2 weeks to 30 days for $7. And then after that, it is $47 a month. Okay. And in that, you will be taught by my mentor, Joshua Elder, and he has an absolutely amazing program. He is one of the most successful people on YouTube. He has somewhere 50,000 subscribers. He does, there's some months he does six figures alone just on YouTube, not even counting, other things he does outside of YouTube. But YouTube is directly responsible for him becoming a millionaire online because he's done such a great job with videos and everything. So anyways, I wanted to give you some more information on that. So let me go ahead and share my screen. So let's see, where are we at? Okay, so this is inside the program. This is Joshua over here. And you know what, let me go ahead and bring up his YouTube channel as well so you can kind of get an idea of what he's doing. Joshua there. So yeah, now you can see what the type of videos I watch. Oh, he watches wrestling, he watches poker, he does network marketing, and I actually love this channel. See, one thing about YouTube is I don't want to just like go right into business. If I'm showing you my screen and stuff, I want you guys to get to know me a little bit better. So Hope for Paws is a great channel. It's a dog rescue agency. They do other animals too, but predominantly dogs, and they're out in Los Angeles, and they have such an amazing channel. So if you like dog rescues, go to that channel. Anyways, let's go to Joshua's channel before I get caught up and change this topic to dog rescues. So let's see, we'll go to Josh's channel. So yeah, he has 61,000 subscribers now, and that's just an amazing accomplishment. And as you see, he does a great job marketing his videos. So there's different things. He has his own products. He promotes other people's products. He teaches people how to make money online different ways. So, and this is what he teaches you. Whatever he's doing online is what he teaches in the program too. So that's what's really cool about it. He does a great job making his YouTube thumbnails. They're very eye-catching and stuff. I'm still learning the art of that. Like I said, I've had a video on how I use Bitmojis for my app, and we can look at that later. All right, so I was just showing you his channel and how many videos he has. I mean, he has so many videos. And the thing is, his channel is monetized. At least I believe it is. I mean, he qualifies for monetization. So like some of my friends, they've done such a good job on YouTube. I'm just getting started, right? So even though I've been an internet marketer for years, I had kind of been pushing YouTube I'm pushing it to the side for a while, but now I'm really getting into it. So after a while, if you hit a certain criteria, I don't want to be quoted on it because I could be wrong, but I think after you have, is it like 30 videos and 4,000 hours watched, and you have like really good metrics, Google will send you a letter and say, hey, your YouTube channel has been monetized. You're now free to have ads run. So what happens is, like, when you go watch a YouTube video and you see these advertisements that happen before the video starts, the person that's running that video, he gets paid on those advertisements. So that's the cool thing, because advertisers want to put their ads on channels that get a lot of traction. So hopefully that makes sense. Now, some marketers don't want their channel to be monetized because they're like, I'm trying to sell my products here. Why would I want somebody else to run their ads and divert my viewers' attention, and then they go to that website? But it doesn't matter. It's however you look at it. Some people have their reasons for not doing it, and some people have their reasons for doing it because it gives them something else to talk about. Plus, maybe they live in abundance and they're like, hey, listen, if somebody wants to click on an ad and go watch something else, that's fine. They're still my subscriber too, and they'll come back. All right. So anyways, like I said, Josh has some excellent videos. So here's a little sneak peek inside the course. When you start here, you join the Facebook group. Their introduction to YouTube, and we do a lot of mindset in here too. It's not just all YouTube. He wants to make sure that you understand properly how everything works, how you have to think. So there, there's a part about writing your goals and getting your affiliate account set up, connecting your domain. So like I said, look at this. This is just the start here module, and there are so many there's so many videos in there, and then. This is another part. This is another thing that I'm in, the six-figure partner program. So you saw those things we have above, where the $7 and then the $47 a month. Now he has a higher level thing if you want to get into a high ticket mastermind. So not only can you get into that high ticket mastermind, it is a hefty price tag. I want to say it's somewhere between $3,000 and $5,000. But the good thing is, when you get into that, you get so much advanced training. Plus, this is the main part, you also get to become an affiliate to sell it too. Now, I tell everybody to go through the proper channel. Start with the $7, go through it. At some point, there'll be some information on the mastermind. Josh wants everybody to start with the basics. You don't want to just jump up to the advanced stuff. You want to set that foundation. But what I'm trying to tell you is there's a lot of room to make money here in this whole YouTube niche and getting mentored within Josh's program. So when you become a mastermind participant and you're in that program, now you can sell it and you can make, anywhere from $1,500 to $2,500 a sale. Not only that, here's the best part. They are professionally closed for you. Josh and his staff have a service where if you don't want to close the sales yourself, you feel like I'm not ready to talk to people, I'm not ready to deal with that, they'll close the sales for you, and then they'll take their percentage, and you'll still get a huge commission, well over $1,000, probably like $1,500. So the point I'm trying to make here is that YouTube is very big right now. Don't think that it's saturated. It is not saturated. There's plenty of money to be made. I made a couple of sales this week. Even yesterday, some guy, he had emailed me and said, hey, I saw your video on this program that you're in. He's like, I don't have that much money, but I'd like to start at the lowest level because I really like the way that you were explaining things on your whiteboard. And, you made me feel like this is something that I can do. So, that actually, it's a cool feeling when somebody reaches out to you and says, because of one of your videos, they decided to get into a program. It's one of the coolest feelings. So I want you all to be able to experience that too. And, when you get into that program, after you've stayed in 30 days, so you paid your 1 month, you paid $47, then you can get on a call with me for half an hour, and we can kind of discuss some things, lay out some strategies for you. I can show you things that are working for me that I'm doing. And that's all on top of being in Josh's program and everything you get here. So, there's a 2 Travic selling program. There's Josh will teach you cool things like, how to start your own video, how to do list jacking, not list jacking, I'm sorry, launch jacking. So like if somebody's about to launch a product, how to set up your videos in your channel so you can take advantage of that and make some sales. So one of the students in this group with me, because of Joshua's launch jacking strategy, he was able to make $12,000 in 2 weeks. It was unreal to see how that all unfolded. So then there's case studies, you know, showing actual proof of what he's doing. And like I said, here's the launch jacking the product. This is like such a cool category. So yeah, so let me take you here. So this is Facebook. This is our group. I'm just going to give you a quick sneak peek so you see it's real. So look, Evangeline just made a $7 sale. So that's really cool. I mean, that gets people motivated because they know that it actually works and stuff. So I'm just giving you a little bit of the beast. Oh, best module released to date. Sorry, I don't have my glasses on. So yeah, so he just, look at 10 hours ago, Josh just released a new video. So this is not some sort of outdated course that was made. This is a course that's actively being made and made better every day right now. So really, really love that. You know, people sharing what their goals were and everything. So it's a really cool community to be a part of, everybody supporting each other. Okay. So, you know, we always welcome all the members and everything. So there's somebody else posting their goals. Sorry, I'm going fast. I'm just kind of looking. Okay, and there's Jonathan. So Jonathan is one of the top students here. He has 1 million impressions and 100,000 views in only 9 months. This guy works super hard. So, you know, when they say that results are not typical, it's because of guys like Jonathan, because he works so hard. He goes over the top. He does, you know, and when he takes a hold of something, he just runs with it. So these are the type of people that give value in the group. So, you know, these are people that, you know, you can reach out to them and, you know, just post something in this group and tag them, tag Joshua, tag myself, tag Jonathan and others, and they'll get back to you. So look at this. Mitch, he crushed out a $1,500 full pay. Look at this. We can't give the customer's information, but there it is. So the total sale was 20. So it's $3,000. Just so you know, when I got into this program back in the day, it was $5,000. Now it's $3,000. So you guys are at an advantage. The price tag back then was higher than it is now. And look at this. There's more content now. So that alone should tell you how awesome this is. So yeah, 3,000, and then net profit is 14. So look at that $1,500 sale right there for Mitch. So I'm sure he's really pumped about that. And, you know, the list goes on and on. Look at Jonathan, you know, he's been putting up some big stats too. And day 10 is now available. Anyways, I don't want to just keep doing that. So I just wanted to show you that, you know, there is a group. I'm in the program. I'm also in the six-figure mastermind, so I can get those high-ticket sales like I just showed you, the $1,500 sales. So, you know, I can do that at some point. If you're in a good position, you can do that. But what I want you to do is just focus on that. So anyways, let me, I don't need to share my screen anymore, so stop the screen share. Okay, there I am. I am back. So like I said, I just want you guys to just start with the $7, okay? I just want you to get into the group, you know, be welcomed and be able to ask questions. But of course, I want you guys to actually go through the video modules first. Don't just start asking questions. That's not the proper thing to do. You know, you'll have the course, start going through it. And like I said, I can't remember if he had changed it to 7 days, 14 days, 30 days, whatever it is. Once that free trial is over, then it is $47 a month. I'll put it in the description. So I'll clarify that because there's been some changes to the program. It used to be, instead of $7, it was $1. But then it was $97 a month. So we kind of met it in the middle. It's like, okay, how about we charge him $7 up front and then lower the price to only $47 a month. And then on the high ticket side, the program that used to be $5,000 when I got involved is only $3,000 now. And now there's so much more videos, even more value, more people that are getting results that are in the group and everything. So that's pretty much all I wanted to talk about today. Is if you are serious about making money on YouTube, like I am, like Josh is, like Jonathan is, like Mitch is, like all these other people in the group, I definitely want you to be a part of that. You know, once you make your first sale, even if it's a $7 sale, it's gonna feel so good. You're gonna feel like, oh my gosh, you know, I just made money because of YouTube, and I was selling a YouTube product. It's pretty awesome. So again, my name is Nicholas Lau from Dallas, Texas. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments below. Let me know where you're from, what you learned, any questions you have. I will get back to everybody. There's also other ways to reach me on Skype and Facebook and email. I get back to everybody as soon as possible. I want to make sure that I'm very accessible. I know there's a lot of people that they'll watch videos online, they'll contact the people, they'll never hear back, and then they get discouraged because they are actually motivated. to get involved. So I want you to know that I am accessible. Whenever you need to get a hold of me, just leave me a message. As soon as I'm free, I will get back to you. I try to get back to everybody within 24 hours, 48 at the most, but usually it's the same day. Okay. And then I also have my booking calendar. If you need to book a call with me, 15-minute call to get any sort of questions answered before you get involved, we can do that as well. But like I said, it's a $7 decision. You know, what you're going to learn for $7 will absolutely blow you away, that you're going to want to stay involved, because you're not going to want to lose that content. You're not going to want to lose the incoming content that's coming. $47 a month. It'll make you a lot more than that if you apply those techniques. So anyways, again, this is Nicholas Lau from Dallas, Texas. I hope you learned something here today. And I hope you do go to nicholaslau.com/YouTube7. That'll take you to my affiliate page where you can sign up for this offer. And like I said, once you put that in, after you've been a member for a month and you made your first $47 payment, you will get on a strategy call with me and we'll plan out a lot more for you. All right. Well, thank you very much. And hope to see you guys into the group soon. Take care. Bye-bye.